Products primarily using the nutmeg peri-cap under the Spice Fusion brand were officially launched today by the GIDC under the Increasing the Value Added to Nutmeg in Grenada project. The project was funded by the Department for International Development through the Caribbean Development Bank and the GIDC. Vice President of Business Development at GIDC, Keisha Mitchell, said the idea for the project was conceptualized from the Grenada Nutmeg Strategy, which is about identifying initiatives to develop the sector.
From research, it was found that the nutmeg pericap, which we refer to as the nutmeg pod, that 99% of that was actually being destroyed, left in the fields to rot. So then the idea was, what can we do with this? Where does the opportunity lie in using the nutmeg pericap to produce a product? And so this project was conceptualized initially by the Ministry of Trade, eventually tweaked by the Caribbean Development Bank, and later implemented by the Grenada Industrial Development Corporation. And the whole intent of the project was really to increase the production of value-added nutmeg products, as well as to increase the exportation of the products, but with specific emphasis on the pericap. Not so much the nutmeg in terms of the seed, but really the pericap.
A range of 15 products were developed by a micro-agro-processing enterprise nutmeg cluster under the guidance of product development consultant Haida Rahim and other business consultants. Members of the cluster were trained to commercially produce the products by the Marketing National Importing Board, Ministry of Trade, and Bureau of Standards, the Chemist Lab, and the GIDC.
And so we would have, together with a cluster that was formed, which was one of the key deliverables under the project, to form a cluster of agro-processors and farmers, including young people, to actually undertake the production of the products that would have been identified from the project.
The 8 products launched today included nutmeg mango jam, nutmeg reduced sugar spread, and nutmeg pie filling. Approximately $300,000 EC was expended to upgrade the produce chemist laboratory to facilitate the production. Mitchell said they already have commitments from some business places, including the MNIB, to purchase products. She said the GIDC will continue to work with the cluster to develop and to put measures in place to eventually get the products ready for export regionally and internationally. Joseph McKee-Smith, GBN News.